What's good YouTube, Ben here, welcome to the next video on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mirror your Android phone screen on Windows 10 and Windows 11 using Scrcpy. So if you want to see more content like this, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Please remember to hit that like button because it's really important for the algorithm. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell to be notified of all uploads and live streams, and don't forget to join me on Twitch. That link is in the description below. Let's get into the video. Alright, so judging by the fact that you've clicked on this video, you probably already know what Scrcpy is, but if you don't understand what it is, Scrcpy, or its full name Scrcpy, is a free-to-download mirroring application that you can put on Windows 10, Windows 11 that allows you to mirror your Android phone screen to your computer. Now, a lot of people that do this are gamers. They want to play a game on a bigger screen, or you can mirror stuff like YouTube, Netflix, to stream movies and whatever. Now, there are a couple of prerequisites to this before you can get started with this. So, first and foremost, you need a phone, one that's running Android 5.0 or higher, and it needs to have a USB Type-C cable. Oh, my pop filter, nice. Next, you're going to want to enable apps from unknown sources. Now, on most phones, it's in the same place. So what you want to do is you want to go to your phone settings, and you want to go to security, and then if it's not in the main security tab, go to more settings like it is on my phone, and install apps from external sources. Click on that, and then make sure that your file explorer is selected if you need to do that. If not, if it just gives you the option to just install them, then cool. You're also going to want to allow USB debugging mode. So USB debugging mode is a developer option. Now, to get developer options, again, it's very simple. You want to go down to your settings and to about phone. And then where it says build number, just tap on that a few times, and it should pop up with a message saying you are now a developer. For me, it says you're already a developer because I already have developer options, obviously, for my screen mirroring. So now once you've gotten those done, we can talk about the files you're going to need on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So if you want sound, you're going to need to have VLC Media Player installed. Of course, the main Scrcpy application. Adb or Android Bridge, you're going to need this as well. And then SNDCPY, which is sound copy, which is the way you mirror sound from your phone at the same time. So first I would get VLC Media Player installed. Just hit download and install it. Once that's done, download Scrcpy. So when you get into the website, all of this stuff, by the way, will be linked down in the description below. So just scroll down the page, so we can see at the minute it's version 1.24. So where it says get the app, summary, Windows, click download and just download it. Copy it into a new folder, and then you can download ADB or Android Bridge. So just scroll down the page, go to where it says how to set up ADB on Microsoft Windows. Just click this to download ADB. And then what I would recommend is putting all of the files from the ADB folder into the Scrcpy folder. Believe me, for this tutorial it's much more efficient, and it's going to be what I'm doing. So if you want to follow exactly along, just do what I do. And then of course download SNDCPY. So which, just scroll down the page, go to get the app, and then download SNDCPY version 1.1. Like with ADB, put the files you get from this download into the same folder as Scrcpy. So now, assuming you've done all of that, we can start with what you're going to need to do. So the first thing is you're going to want to install ADB. So there's a great tutorial on this website that I'm going to link where you get the download from, but I'll quickly go through it. It's not hard. So once you've put everything in the correct folder, you're going to want to open said folder. So as you can see, Scrcpy. Now ADB, SNDCPY, and Scrcpy are all in the same folder. I've put them all together because it makes more sense. In the folder, there should be open a terminal here.bat. Double click that, and it will automatically open a CMD terminal to this folder directory, which is what you want to do. So for those of you who don't understand how to navigate directories in CMD, you don't need to worry about it. So to install ADB and make sure that you've got everything done, once you've got this open, connect your phone to your computer using your USB cable, and if your phone gives you the option to charge only or transfer files, make sure you click transfer files, because once you click transfer files, that'll allow you to do this. So once you're on CMD, just type in Adb Devices and hit enter. So it'll pop up with your phone's ID, and then for you it probably won't say device, it'll say not registered or something like that. So once you've typed in Adb Devices, look at your phone screen. It'll pop up with a little pop-up like this, allow USB debugging. And if you're going to do this frequently, just click allow always from this computer and click OK. Once you've done that, you're done with ADB. You don't have to do anything else with ADB. Now next, what I would recommend is you copy SND to your phone as well. So obviously your phone's connected to your computer, so let's just open up that folder, and you want to make sure that you copy sndcpy.apk to a directory that you can easily find on your phone. So let's say with mine, I put it in internal storage, and then I created a folder called apk files, and that way I could easily find it. So once you've got that, just navigate to it in your phone's files and install it. That's the mobile side of SND that allows you to copy sound and mirror it to your PC. So now that you've done ADB and you've got SND copy installed, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure you set your phone settings. Now just remember, this is going to vary between devices. The stronger the device you have, the more you can do with it. So for example, my Huawei P30, which is my old phone, has a screen resolution of above 1080p, but it doesn't have good bitrate. So bitrate is the speed of the transfer of data between your phone and your computer. So the higher the transfer speed, the more quality you can have. Now, a lot of this is experimentation. It took me a while to figure out what settings best fit my old phone. So this is the settings I currently use. So you want to type in Scrcpy -M 9. Oh, what the? Oh, I clicked on my mouse. Whoops. -M 1920. So this sets the resolution. So -M 1920 sets the resolution. We want it to be 1080p. Next is bitrate. So you want to type in -B, and then this is one of the parts that's going to require a lot of experimentation, because if you type in a number that's unreasonable, for an example, I'll get it wrong. Let's say 75 M. Now, after you've put in your number, you always want to put M after it, because M stands for megabytes, and that's going to allow you to try and transfer at this speed. So if I try this, it's going to come up with a big error like this, meaning your phone can't handle that amount of data transfer. So let's try again. Scrcpy -M 1920. So we already know the resolution's fine. -B 30 M. Now I know that 30 will work. Again, this part just requires a little bit of experimentation on your part. And then finally, you want to set the frame rate. So especially if you're playing games, you're going to notice this. Most modern devices, you can set it to 60 FPS. So just type in --max -FPS space 60. Now, assuming all your settings are correct, all you have to do is hit enter, and that's your phone mirroring started. Now you can make this full screen. When you go into an app that will allow you to go into landscape mode, it will automatically switch to landscape as well. So that's great. You've got your phone mirrored to your computer. Now it's just a case of getting sound. Now, assuming of course you've done everything right in installing SNDCPY and VLC Media Player, all you need to do is go to your Scrcpy folder, start sndcpy.bat. So it's going to perform a streamed install. And there you go, playing audio. So now that's playing audio. And if you need proof, obviously I can quickly go to my YouTube.
Baby, you ready? Our reservation's at 5.
Oh gosh, that was loud.
Baby, you ready?
Okay. Well, we know that sound is working. I need to quickly turn that down in my Windows because that is loud. That might happen, by the way. You might need to instantly go and turn it down because that is kind of ridiculous if you ask me. The sound, the loudness from this is a bit obnoxious. Turn down to 20%. There you go. Just click on my YouTube channel trailer or something.
Hello, YouTube.
And there you go. Sound is transferring. Now, before we end the video, there is one thing I want to talk about. A lot of people with SNDCPY have some kind of sound delay. And there will always be a little bit of delay every now and again, but there is a minor fix you can do if you do start suffering with some delay. So, come to the Scrcpy folder and right click on sndcpy.bat and click Show More Options and click Edit. Scroll down and see where it says -- network caching -1. At the end here it will say 0. Change this 0 to -1 and then hit File and hit Save. And then for SNDCPY, just right click it and then you want open it with Notepad. Scroll down again, go to network caching, and where it says 0, change that to -1. Hit File and hit Save. You might get a little bit of sound delay every so often that will last a second or two, but it shouldn't be permanent sound delay. But that's it. Once you've got all of that done, you have mirrored your phone with sound. So if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button because it's really important for the algorithm. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. We're getting close to 150 subscribers. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell to be notified of all uploads and live streams, and don't forget to join me on Twitch. That link is in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time.